Hello friends, welcome to chemistry classes by Vijay Kumar Sethi, and in this video we will discuss about some organic name reactions. This organic name reaction is one of the important part of organic chemistry, and generally 2 to 3 marks questions based on organic name reactions are asked in the CBSE board exam. And these name reactions are also important for the purpose of your competitive exams like G Mains and NEET. So let us discuss some organic name reaction in this video. First one is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction involves the conversion of an alkyl chloride or an alkyl bromide to an alkyl iodide by the addition of sodium iodide in acetone. Reaction can be represented CH3CH2Br plus NaI converting into CH3CH2I plus NaBr. Actually, this reaction is based on the concept that NaI is soluble in acetone but NaBr is not soluble in acetone. So, we can separate the products easily. Next one is Schwarz reaction. Heating of alkyl chloride or bromide in the presence of a metallic fluoride such as AgF, Hg2F2, COF2 or SbF3. The reaction is termed as Schwarz reaction. Actually, this reaction is used to form fluoroalkanes from bromo and chloroalkanes. Okay, reaction can be represented CH3Br plus AgF. So this Br is replaced by F, so we will get CH3F plus AgBr. Wurtz reaction. Alkyl halides react with sodium in triether to give hydrocarbons containing double the number of carbon atoms present in the halide. This reaction is known as Wurtz reaction. Two molecules of alkyl halide when react with the sodium in the presence of a dry ether. Okay, now what the meaning of this dry ether? Dry ether means it should be free from moisture. Okay, so we will get higher alkane. See, in alkyl halide, in one molecule there is one alkyl group, but whatever the product form, that is in alkane, two alkyl groups are there. So this reaction is used to ascend the carbon series. Okay, if we want to increase the number of carbon atoms, so we can use this reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. A mixture of an alkyl halide and aryl halide gives an alkyl arene when treated with sodium in dry ether and is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. See, this is aryl halide and Rx. This is alkyl halide. When react with the sodium in the presence of dry ether, we will get this aryl arene. If this R is CH3, okay, then we will get this toluene, methyl benzene. Fittig reaction. Aryl halides when treated with sodium in dry ether in which two aryl groups are joined together, it is called Fittig reaction. Two molecules of aryl halide when react with the sodium in the presence of ether, we will get this. This is biphenyl. Okay. Kolbe's reaction. Phenoxide ion reacts with carbon dioxide to give ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid, that is salicylic acid, as the main reaction product. It is known as Kolbe's reaction. Now in this case we require the phenoxide ion, and this phenoxide ion is formed from the phenol. When phenol react with the sodium hydroxide, we will get the sodium phenoxide, and this sodium phenoxide first react with the carbon dioxide. Whatever the product form, this is undergo acidic hydrolysis, we will get this 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, which is also known as salicylic acid. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. On treating phenol with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide, a CHO group, that is aldehyde group, is introduced at ortho position of benzene ring. This reaction is known as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This is phenol when react with chloroform CHCl3 in the presence of aqueous NaOH. First one intermediate is formed. This further react with the NaOH to form the sodium salt of salicyl aldehyde. Okay, and when this is hydrolyzed, we will get this salicyl aldehyde. Williamson synthesis. An alkyl halide is allowed to react with sodium alkoxide to form ether. Actually, this is used to prepare the ethers, symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical ethers. Okay, this Rx alkyl halide react with RONA, sodium alkoxide, and this X and this Na is removed as NaX, and we will get ROR dash. Okay, where this R and R dash may be same or may be different. Better results are obtained if the alkyl halide is primary. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. benzene ring undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation. That is, the alkyl group is introduced by reaction with alkyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, a Lewis acid, which act as catalyst. Reaction is this. This is methoxybenzene. When react with the CH3Cl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, 8 ortho and para position CH3 group is introduced. Actually, this OCH3 is ortho para directing. So methyl group is attached at the ortho and para position, and we will get 2-methoxytoluene as minor and 4-methoxytoluene as major. If we are having chlorine in the benzene, that is in chlorobenzene, when react with the CH3Cl, again this Cl is ortho para directing. Okay, so CH3 group is introduced at the ortho position and at the para position, and we will get 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene as minor and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene as major. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Benzene ring undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation. Now, what is the meaning of this acylation? That is introduction of acyl group. Now, what is this acyl group? Acyl group is RCO. Okay, and this acyl group is introduced by reaction with acyl halide in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, a Lewis acid, as catalyst. Again, this is methoxybenzene. When react with ethanoyl chloride, CH3COCl, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Again, this is ortho and para directing. So, at ortho position and at para position, COCH3 group is introduced. So, we get 2-methoxyacetophenone as minor and 4-methoxyacetophenone as major. One more example, if chlorine is present in the benzene, that is when chlorobenzene undergo acetylation with CH3COCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Again, at ortho and para position, COCH3 group is introduced. Because this Cl is again ortho para directing. So, we will get 2-chloroacetophenone as minor and 4-chloroacetophenone as major. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel. In the next video, we will also discuss some more organic name reactions.